Pulpits rock. I mean...
Good morning. Spoiler alert, we're at Pulpit Rock.
Good morning. Hello. Hello.
We woke up. We were going to come see the sunrise here at Pulpit Rock, but it thunderstormed all night long.
All night long.
Thunder, lightning, crazy rain. But we stayed dry in our tent.
We did. Shout out to Six Moon Designs.
Yeah, it's a great tent.
That tent continues to keep us dry.
So
it's really incredible.
We waited for the rain to calm a little bit before we got up, and
it didn't.
Now we're
It didn't really.
Well, yeah, I mean,
it didn't enough for us to get up when we were supposed to for sunrise.
No, but it started to lull for
around 7.
And then when we walked, it was a little quieter. So now we're here at Pulpit Rock.
Da-na-na-na-na. Go, give him the big. Da-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na-na.
Okay. Copyright infringement.
This is one of the, well, if anybody can prove that I can carry a tune enough. This is one of the wider views we've had in a while. And I think we'll get a few more as we leave Pennsylvania.
Yeah, and apparently a popular day hike destination. We were actually surprised, us and one other thru hiker were surprised that it was Saturday night and we didn't see any other day hikers trying to catch the sunrise, but I guess they all had the weather or something.
They all knew it would be dumb to stay overnight. We met a little tramley back at Port Clinton.
Okay, gotta go by. Update!
Hey, we're back!
It's nuts out here!
Yeah, we heard that the runner that interrupted us in the morning said there were flash floods in the morning out on the roads. And then the sun came out.
But, this is pretty...
And now I think the sun is still out somehow. Even though there's a hurricane happening.
We've seen a few branches fall. So, we're keeping an eye out for that. We did 22.7 miles today. And we stopped at Thunderhead Lodge for a really delicious dinner. There was a lot of rain today. A lot of rocks. Oh, and a gorgeous rainbow right in the middle of the trail, in the middle of the woods. But it's pretty late. We had to do a little night hiking to get here. And old Sleepy Tom Jenkins over here didn't want to be a part of our night update. So, good night.